What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video with Adrian and my wife, Kimbo.
Hello.
So today you see we are back to doing our home studio session. So this is our setup. Just gonna be doing a branding session for my wife. She works for herself now. Want to get her some nice professional shots that she can market to get more clients. But yeah, guys, gonna be walking y'all through what I'm doing. I want to show y'all some simple light setups that you can do at home and just kind of show you how easy it is to get some really good shots, and also just set up a actual kind of studio setting in your home. So before we get into the shoot, just gonna tell you all the gear that I'm using, which is some of my favorites. So all this stuff I got from Amazon. I'll have links below to everything. I really like this color. It goes well with my wife's, what is that, a blazer? Yep. Blazer. We have the Godox AD400 Pro. If you've been on our channel, you know that's my favorite strobe. And this is something on the newer end. I've had it for a little while, but it's one of my newer modifiers. This is a glow lantern. So I really like this one. I mainly use it for my YouTube videos, but I do use it for photography as well. I like that with this lantern shape, with this softbox, it disperses light everywhere. So that's what I like about this one. It's a really good one. And then we have this LED video light in the back. So gonna be showing y'all some simple setups, and we're gonna get some good shots. You excited?
Yes.
Okay. And also, I didn't even mention the camera and lens I'm using. So I'm using the Sony a6400, and I have a new lens that I'm using. It's the Sigma 56mm. So it's equivalent to about like an 85mm on full frame. You kind of get that same look. So yeah, with this first lighting setup, we're just gonna use one light. So that's gonna be this setup right here. And like I said, this modifier lets out a good amount of light, and I can expose my subject to my liking with just this light. So you can get good shots with just one light. And then later on, I'm gonna show you a simple 2-light setup. So let's get some shots. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's pretty. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The fuck? All right, guys, we're gonna switch over. We got some shots there. Hopefully Kimbo likes them. We're gonna switch over to a 2-light setup. It's gonna add more kind of like depth to the photo. And it's one of my favorite setups. It's a simple setup that can give you a different look with your studio photography. So as you can see, you can get good shots with just one light. But if you want to experiment and just level up, you can always introduce another lighting. You can see that one is continuous lighting as well. Like I said, this just makes studio photography somewhat easier for someone who's maybe new to this, and just a little bit quicker to expose your shots. So let's see what we can get with the 2-light setup. Oh yeah. One, 2, 3.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Pretty. Like that. It's beautiful. 1 chin up. Yep. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty. 1, 2, 3. Like that. A lot. I like it with that second light. It looks really good. Smile. Joey. Joey, say cheese. You want to go see Navi Soda? Look at me. 1, 2, 3. That's beautiful. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. So that's gonna wrap up this shoot. We got some good shots of Kimbo. She wanted to include Zoe in the end. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the other ones in the background. We have a zoo. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and we will see y'all in the next video. Peace.